Yo, 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 what's good, YouTube? Hey, yo, this here is Sneaker Skinny on the Sneaker Skinny Reviews channel. And, hey, man, before we get into this here video, you know what I need y'all to do, man? Pull this mask down. I need y'all to subscribe up to the channel, bro. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, man. It's just like me going inside Cola Kicks and not wiping these here Fear of Gods on the rug. That's what it's like, bruh. But, yo, I'm on a mission, bro. I want to surprise my son, man. Like, he been getting, like, shoes. But they have been, like, how can I say this here, man? Kitty GRs. Nothing that height that he could wear and wear to school. And his teachers be like, damn. You feel me? So, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna surprise him, bro, and grab him some little baby heat, bro, from Cola Kicks. So roll with me, man, and yeah, gang gang. Hey, all the dunk lovers, tell me what dunk this is, bro. Get in the comments and tell me what dunk this is, as well as this dunk right here. Let me know in the comments. I really want to get this here dunk, bro. This price tag, boy, put a dude in the bind. Salute to Travis, though. This is a dope-ass dunk, though. Look at the strings, bro. Plenty ADMENDMENT. These joints high, though. Nobody's up there like that. Blick-a-thump. I need another pair of these, though. This is size 12. I need another pair just to cut open, though. Gotta hit y'all with that drippy drip alert, you feel me? Y'all see it? Lakers jersey, LeBron, Travis Scott, sweats, you feel me? Travis Scott sweats, Fear of God. Quit playing with me.
Choppers come with extensions. I come with bad intentions. Short me bodies coming up missing. It's techniques to my whipping. It's straight drop in my kitchen. I don't got no nines, I got a couple of fours, and I'm still rocking these sixes. Don't play me pussy, I come hard.
Yo, this is my first time seeing this stain water, bro. Like, this joint here is dope. Like, for real, bro. Like, look. Plant emoji at the bottom. Nike backwards, you got your mushroom on the inside. I really don't want to, it's a size 12, I can't fit it. They going for 400. I'm probably going to go ahead and grab these, man, off of StockX if they don't get my size in here. But yo, this joint here is dope, bro. It got the zipper, and it got the clear pocket right up here at the top, bro. So, hey, y'all get in the comments and let me know. Y'all think this should be a cop? You know what I mean? 400. I check the price on StockX, I don't know, but yo, today is about my son, bro. Yo, so hit Cola Kicks. Secure my son's heat, bruh. Let's see what I got it. Yo, left Cola Kicks. Now I'm meeting my wife out here at the Carnival, bruh. Take the kids out here, you know. Really ain't been able to take them nowhere since, you know, the pandemic and stuff like that. We went to the beach and stuff, so. As far as playing wise. So, yeah, man, gonna get them out here, so. The next footage, they got a lot of copyrighted music out here because, you know, they got that little music ride and all that when you go through, so. The next footage, it might just be B-roll, but it will be of us just enjoying ourselves, man, before I take these sneakers home and surprise Gabe with them, bro. So let's go.
Here we go. Oh, she caught a fish.
Hey.
Oh, he slipped ya. He stole your fish. Yeah.
Oh, you got three.
Over there.
You won, girl.
We got a trophy. Hey, buddy, pick a prize. Pick a prize out of one of the buckets, big guy. Oh, good job.
Hey, what about this? Yo, my kids, they won't finish this ride without me, bro. So I gotta go up here. Thanks to this man, he let me in here. So let's go. Yo, they scared. Look, y'all do all that stuff at home. Let's go. Y'all talk all that noise, but you need daddy to get you across the bridge. Just keep walking. I'm here. I'm here. I'm right behind. Everyone, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I got you. I got you, baby. I'ma always be here. I'ma always be here for you, okay? Okay? Just keep walking. Keep walking and trust what I'm saying. Keep walking. Yay, keep walking. Yay, keep walking. Go, son, I got you. I got you. I got you, baby, go. Go, daddy got you. I got you. Yay! Yay! Ho, ho, ho! Yay! Yay! Daddy got you. Okay, who's sliding first?
Me.
Go! Yo, my daughter done already went down and he crying. We about to go down together. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Get up. Yo, now he don't know what he got, but he's sitting here waiting for me, bro. So, yo, I'm gonna show you his reaction to this here sneaker and show y'all, man. Man, kids really don't give a. Yo, here with my son Gabe, and I got something for him, bro. A surprise for him. Yo, you know what? Come here, look.
I'll find a surprise.
No, I got the surprise right here. Come here.
What is the surprise?
Yo, look at the camera. Yo, do you know what you're getting? A surprise?
Yeah.
But I'm saying though, I got you this.
Yeah.
But I'm saying though, you know what's in it?
Yeah, I know what's in it.
What?
Let me guess.
Guess.
Let me look in it.
You wanna look in it?
Yeah.
You wanna see what you got? Oh, get it up.
Guess what's
Come here, you gotta show the camera. This is his first sneaker review, guys, so be careful. Yo, what is that? They gotta see your face. Look at it, look at it. Oh, what's that, some heat?
No, shoes.
But it's heat?
No, they're shoes.
Is it heat?
Yes.
Yo, show them to the camera. Yo, you putting them up there?
Yeah, I'm showing them to the camera.
Ho. Let's see if we can get it to focus in. Bam. You got some heat, boy.
But something.
Off-white. 5s. Size 13C. Oh, you pulling your laces out? Dang, you really want to unds some shit, eh?
No.
You want to do it on foot?
Yeah, so we can play.
Yo, these here, look where they came from, son. Flight Club, do not remove tag. If you remove the tag, it's done. So you want to do an on foot for them? Look at the camera. You like them?
Yes.
You want to do an on foot for them?
Yes.
All right, man. This is my son's first official on foot, and y'all get it right here, bro.
I see it. Drippy drip.
You got that drippy drip on?
Yeah.
That'll show them your drippy drip then, you know what I'm saying? Bing.
Drippy drip.
Drippy drip. I see you, bing. Bing.
Drippy.
On foot.
Listen, choppers come with extensions. I come with bad intentions. Short me bodies coming up missing. It's techniques to my whipping. It's straight drop in my kitchen. I don't got no 9s, I got a couple of 4s, and I'm still rocking these 6s. Don't play me pussy, I come hard. I run the P's, I'm a slumlord.
Yo, so that was his first drippy drip. That was his first on foot. If y'all looking to purchase a pair of these, a size 13C, or something for your kids, and you want to know what comes with it all, bro, because it was his first on foot, he's not going to be able to tell you all this here, but bam. Here's his style code right here, and the label on the box reads, Jordan 5 Retro SP PS 13C. And as you can see, salute to the guys at Cola Kicks for making this here happen. They got it from Flight Club. Hit me up. It does come with your off-white laces, 2 extra pairs, black, red, and y'all see the box. And inside the box, it does have the off-white paper. It does not have the lace locks, but it does have the Jordan sticker though.
I like the Jordan sticker.
You like the Jordan stickers? Yeah, put them back, Don't open it yet.
Until we get inside.
Until we get inside, yeah. So that's all that comes with it. I think it's a dope sneaker, man, for the kids. Really not that high. You can get them like on StockX, so maybe about like 180. But so with all that being said, man, subscribe to my channel. Hey. Yo, look, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hey, thanks for your time. Tell them thank you.
Thank you
Thanks for your time.
for your time.
Time is one thing you can't get back, and you chose to spend it watching our video. We appreciate that. Love y'all. Take care. Salute. Out of here.
Out here.
Yeah.